Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make crispy spiced chicken wings in the oven. This is a little over 2 pounds or a kilo of chicken wings. I've removed the tips and separated the wings into flats and drumettes. These wings are huge, as you can see. I got them from the poultry farm. If you're getting them from the grocery, they're going to be smaller. Reduce the cooking time if you're using the smaller grocery store wings. Heat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. For the spice rub, I'm using cumin seeds, whole black peppercorns. Now if you don't want to grind those up, you can definitely substitute already ground cumin and ground black pepper. The spices do taste a lot better when you grind it fresh. To the cumin and black pepper, add garlic powder, onion powder, coarse salt, ground cinnamon. Mix it up. Pat the chicken dry with paper towels. Put the spice mixture all over the chicken. Coat all the wings in the spice mixture. Get every last bit. Don't leave any spices in the bowl. Put the chicken on a rack on top of a foil-lined baking sheet. I put the drumettes in the back because they're thicker and the back of my oven is hotter. Cook these in the heated oven for about 45 minutes, depending on the size of your wings. Halfway through cooking, turn the chicken over. Just took them out of the oven after 50 minutes because these are large wings. Leave them alone for 5 minutes and then you can dig in. The wings are crispy, very juicy inside. We've got a good amount of salt. They're a little peppery. They're absolutely delicious. Eat them just like this or serve it with ranch dressing to cut the heat a little bit. Don't touch it. Uma. Hands off. Don't touch my wings. Don't touch my wings.
I touched it.
I hope you give these easy wings a try and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.